Hi, how are you? Today we are going to study another basic foundation in chemistry that is called the chemical formula. Chemical formula is the presentation of elements in a chemical compound by using symbols. So in chemical formula, we can consider there are some concepts that we have to consider. Number one, before you write a chemical formula, you have to know that radical is treated as a single unit. For example, if you have sulfate, sulfate is treated as a single unit. Or if it is nitrate, it is treated as a single unit because this is a group of elements which act as a single atom. Number two, cations are written before the anions. Cations and the anions. So cations are written before anions. Cations, these are the positively charged ions, while these are the negatively charged ions. And the examples of cations include all metal ions, group 1 elements, group 2, group 3. So all of those are cations. But anions include all non-metal ions. For example, chloride ion, oxide ion, phosphide ion, and the others. Cations include sodium ion, calcium ion, aluminium ion, and the others so far. When one is assumed in a chemical formula, one is not written, it is assumed. Here are steps to consider when writing chemical formula. Step number one, you write the elements in symbol. Those elements in the chemical formula, you write them in symbol. Number two, include their valences on the superscript. It is certainly above the element. And this another one, interchange the valences. So the valences are interchanged. Okay, for example, number one, write the chemical formula for calcium chloride. How do we write it? Calcium chloride. Okay. Step number one, write the elements in the chemical compound by using their symbols. So now, here we have calcium chloride. So we write, what is the chemical symbol for calcium? Is capital letter C, small letter A. What is the chemical symbol for chloride? For chlorine, chemical letter C, small letter L. Then the second step, include their valences. What is the valence of calcium? The valence of calcium is 2. It is found in group 2, so it is 2. Superscript, you write them in superscript. What is the valence of chlorine? It is 1 because it is found in group 7, so it is 1. Then the third step, interchange the valences. Interchanging the valences. So this one, this is calcium, this is the chloride. Here we have 2 and this is 1. So how can we interchange them? Interchange by taking this 2 comes here and this one comes there. So that we get calcium 1. When 1 comes here, it will be assumed. You don't write it because it is 1 calcium. And 2 comes there below, you write there Cl2. So the chemical formula for calcium chloride is calcium chloride, like this one. Let's see another example. Write a chemical formula for sodium sulfate. B for copper 2 oxide, and C for let's say iron 3 nitrate. Okay, so here we have these examples. A, we are going to do solution for A. So A, there you have sodium sulfate. Write it there. The chemical, this is a compound written in words. Now you have to change it into chemical formula. So now sodium, the chemical symbol for sodium is capital letter N, small letter A. Chemical symbol for sulfate is capital letter S, or for this is the radical. So now we have to include their valences. The valence of sodium is 1. The valence of sulfate is 2. Now you interchange the valences. Step number 3, interchanging the valences. So these 2 will be there, and this 1 will be there. 1 and this 2 will be there. Okay, after interchanging them, the result will be sodium 2 there. You write this 2 subscript, and then 1 go there for sulfate. 1 is the assumed. You don't write 1 because sulfate here it is itself is 1, so you don't write 1. 1 is the assumed. So sodium sulfate is written like this. Chemical formula for sodium sulfate. Then let us go for B. B, you are given copper 2 oxide. Chemical symbol for copper is capital letter C, small letter U. Chemical, it is for oxide is from oxygen, so oxygen, capital letter O. Now copper 2, it means copper 2 has valence of 2. So here is 2. Valence of 2, okay. The valence of 2, it has valence of 2. And the oxygen has valence of 2. Then interchange the valences. How do you interchange? This 1, 2 comes there, and these 2 go there. So that we get copper, these 2 here, and 2 goes there. Now because we have 2, both sides here and here, they can be cancelled out, so that you get copper 2 oxide. So it will be simply like this, copper 2 oxide. Then let us see example number C, that is iron 3 nitrate. Iron 3 nitrate. Write their chemical symbols. The chemical symbol for iron is capital letter F, small letter E. Chemical symbol for nitrate is NO3. What is the valence of iron 3? It is 3. What is the valence of nitrate? Is 1. Then interchange the variables. Interchange the valences. This 1 comes there, and these 3 go there. So we are going to get iron 1 there. 1 is assumed. Then 3. Because this is the radical, you should treat it as a single unit. So this will be NO3. Then you enclose it in the bracket so that it becomes 3 becomes there. Because if you forget to enclose it in a bracket and treat it as a single unit, it will be like iron NO3, then 3 again there. So this will be 33, and this will be only for oxygen. So this will be wrong. So it should be like this. A homework. Let you give me a quiz. Okay, ammonium hydroxide. How do you write it? Okay, can you try? Okay, the chemical symbol. Now you start there. Ammonium. This is the ammonium. Then hydroxide. Okay, ammonium. The symbol for ammonium is this one, and for hydroxide, OH. So what is the valence of ammonium? Is 1. Valence of hydroxide is 1. Interchanging, so now it will be ammonium hydroxide. Yes. So it will be like that. So that is all about the chemical formula. Thank you.